back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Letty and this is
Java.
And today we're going to be showing you how we make our niece's cake. It's going to be a super cool record cake.
Yeah.
Like literally a record disc.
You know, from the old school. I know a lot of you guys, like, you don't know, but they don't even know what a cassette player is. How about that?
Yeah, but if you're like...
If you know, you know, you know?
Yeah, so the record players, I guess, are coming back. Our niece, Valeria, is Chava's cousin's daughter.
Yeah.
And they actually came over to drop off a birthday gift for our son, Abel.
Yeah.
So
dude, you got like the cutest gift ever.
Thank you guys so much, Tanya and Sal.
They're like the biggest Dodger fans, so it's like they bought him like a little Dodger shirt and a hat, Dodgers hat.
Yeah, he looks just like Chava when he wears hats now. Oh, so cute. Anyways, yeah, guys, so her birthday was yesterday and we're like, oh my god, we want to give her something too. They live kind of far, so we're gonna go ahead and make her a cake.
And right after this, we're gonna go and drop it off.
Yeah, okay. So it's gonna be so cute. If you guys have any younger brother, sister, son, daughter, cousins that are into records, you guys can easily make them this cake at home. If you recreate it, please don't forget to tag us.
It's gonna be fast. I'll show you.
Alright guys, so here we have a 12-inch strawberry cake.
Alright, so we have a 12-inch strawberry cake, and we decided to make it short so that way it won't look like a super tall cake. It could look more like a record, okay?
Yeah, so he made it into a 12-inch so it could be like wider too, like, you know, like the record.
So it could look like a stack of records. Bruh. Mira, bájale, que le bajes. Did you record that?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's gonna be more like a stack of records. So we don't want it to look too tall, and you know, so it's gonna look good. Watch, you'll see. Alright, so we're gonna cut off the top just a little bit. Since it's already short, we don't want it to be too short either, tampoco, you know? And then since it does have parchment paper at the bottom, we're gonna take that off. And now we're gonna cut it in half so that we can put our filling.
So today we brought out this baby since it's such a wide cake.
Big baby. So we gotta cut it in half, as you guys know, and just make sure that both sides are at the same level.
Big cakes like that scare me.
Why?
I feel like they're gonna break in half.
Well, as long as they're cold, they won't break. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But if it's not cold, like if it's warm, oh, it'll break right away. You ever seen the like Chopped and all that? When they try to make like a dessert and it's all like, or when it's like, what do you call it? That other show? How to cake it? Oh no.
Nailed it? Yeah. They set you up for failure right there. Because you can't even cool your stuff down. Well, you can. I think they have like those freezers that freeze fast, no?
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put buttercream on our edges just to secure it. I'm not gonna add too much filling on this one because, like I said, I don't want it to be too tall, you know. So we have cream cheese filling right here.
We have a video on our cream cheese filling, no?
Yeah.
I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and try it if you guys haven't tried how to make that. Tried to make that.
We actually have a video of all our fillings, well, a lot of our fillings.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys try them out. They're really good. And you could even use them for like your business, you know? If you have a cake business. So there it is. So a little bit more. And then we add the top, okay? Just make sure it's like centered, leveled, and then you're good. Just clean the board. Alright, so here's our cake. It's already hard. We left it in the freezer for like 20 minutes, and I'm just taking off all the crumbs. And now we have our black buttercream already ready. And we're just gonna start adding it, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna smooth it And we're gonna smooth it with this one, which is our orange plastic one. You want to make sure that it's like as sharp as possible. Unless you want to give it 2 coats, but we're trying to give it just 1. So we're gonna add a little bit more. And now we're gonna go on top, okay?
So like I was telling you guys, this is like a super fast and easy cake. It's crazy. Like, well, at least because he knows how to make cakes, I think it's going like so fast. Not compared to the last cake that you guys saw already. This should be up by then already.
Yeah, that one took a long time.
I literally had like 2 hours in content and clips to edit. So you know how the record, I'll put a picture here, but it has lines on top and then lines on the bottom. So he has a comb like this one. It's a Wilton comb that you can find like pretty much anywhere. And then he's saying that he needs to have one with just straight lines. So he made his own.
I just made it right now. I'm hoping it works. I haven't done it since I've never made cakes like this one, but I'm hoping it works.
So we'll see.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna give it with this one on the side and see if it works, okay?
But just why are you taking out the shorts? I said the blankets. Oh wow, it is working.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you guys can make your own, like he did, off of pretty much anything you have at home, or like any plastic thing like that, or just buy one that has like straight lines. So look at guys, and he only had to give it 1 coat. Like, so this is a super easy cake, but really still looks really cute, you know?
Yeah, and so you could do that on top as well, or you could just use this one, which is the one with like the most peaks. It'll look nice too, you know. But like I said, it's up to you. You can use whichever one you want. I'm gonna use this one, the one that I made, okay?
Wow, it looks so good, you guys. You always amaze me.
Really?
Yes.
I think it looks good, but from the looks of it, right here, it looks like the edges. It looks like it needs a little bit more. That's it right there. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean our board. And obviously we're not trying to put a trim on it, so that way it won't look like a cake, you know?
It looks like realistic.
Yeah, I want it to look as realistic as possible, so I'm just gonna try to clean it the most possible. Like, just be careful, okay?
It's crazy because we went to Walmart yesterday, and I came across some records, and I was like, wow, like there's actually art coming back. Like they're popular now, you know? And we're tripping out, and I was trying to get her a record too, but I didn't know what kind of music she would like. And I was like, there was like Michael Jackson, Beatles, all those old school ones, and I'm like, and the only one that I saw that I was like, oh, it was Mariah Carey, but I'm like, she's still too young for Mariah Carey, so I'm like, I don't know, so I just didn't get her that. But yeah, we're just gonna give her money.
Too young for Mariah Carey?
Yeah, cause that's like our stuff, like, you know?
I mean, I used to listen to Eazy-E in 3rd grade, dude.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Sal would get so mad if we gave her it was a Tupac one.
Oh, they did have Tupac, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's that right there. And now we're gonna add this, which is the thing that goes in the middle, the label, and it has her face on it, and it says "Happy Birthday, Valeria."
Like we made a custom like record just for her, you know. So
we already cut it out. It's an editable image, and we're just gonna put it on. Okay. So we're gonna look for the front of the cake, wherever looks the best. So I'm thinking right here, and now we're just gonna add it.
And I made it about 5 inches big, the circle.
Yeah, it's 5 inches, and the whole cake is 12 inches. So I would say maybe like half of the cake, or a little bit less than half, so it could look like, so it won't take up most of the space, you know?
And a lot of people don't know exactly how to get custom pictures like this, or like do it on your own. I really recommend you guys get this app called Fonto. That's where I make all my YouTube thumbnails and everything. But yeah guys, look at that.
There it is.
So cute. How do you guys think he did? It's nice, right?
You did good. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, guys.
But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. subscribe to our channel. We're almost at 60,000 subscribers, so please help us get there, because at 100,000 we're gonna be having a huge, and I mean huge, giveaway.
Yes. Okay.
So yeah, guys, please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next. We have a lot of video ideas, not a lot of time though.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be trying to be more active. But yeah, like this is 2 videos in a week, right? So don't.
I mean, we already said that we're gonna do our best to just record at least 1 a week, but 2 will be like real cool, you know?
Ideal, yeah. So yeah, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're always having raffles, and you guys, if we see you guys showing love, like trust me, anybody who shows love, like in comments and in DMs, like we notice it, you guys. And I will literally send you guys gift cards randomly all the time. We love to give back, so don't forget to follow us at Serranoscakes.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, so
show us some love.
Yeah. So you guys, we'll see you guys in our next video, and please take care, be safe, and goodbye.
God bless you guys.
Alright guys, so we just made it to Downey, California, and here's her record cake. This is the birthday girl right here. Say hi. Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah? Cool. Yeah? Alright, cool. We're gonna sing happy birthday so that way, you know? You're on YouTube, so say hi.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Valeria. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's hear it.
Tía, están haciendo una pinche. Ahora paga esta madre.
Ya van a venir la moda otra vuelta de refrescos, ¿no? No, ya.
Sí, pues.
So cool, Valeria.
And where's the like?
And what's that for? To stop it or something?
It's for the weight because it's not gonna move. It's getting hard.
Oh, that's a weight.
And it comes with every record?
You put a quarter.